100 English words that start with M. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Myra, can you guess today's letter?
M for Mike?
Yes, and for 100 magical words.
Ooh, I love the letter M. So many meaningful words.
Listen, repeat, and let's build your vocabulary.
Word by word, step by step, we're learning together.
Let's begin. Machine,
Machine,
mad,
mad,
magazine,
magazine,
magic,
magic,
male,
male,
main,
main,
maintain,
maintain,
major,
major,
make,
make,
male.
male.
You're doing great already.
Let's move forward.
Mall,
Mall,
man,
man,
manage,
manage,
manager,
manager,
manner,
manner,
many,
many,
map,
map,
march,
march,
mark,
mark,
market.
market.
You're learning fast.
Speak with us. Don't stop.
Marriage,
Marriage,
married,
married,
mask,
mask,
mass,
mass,
master,
master,
match,
match,
material,
material,
matter,
matter,
meal,
meal,
mean.
mean. Halfway already.
Keep going, you're doing amazing. Meaning,
Meaning,
measure,
measure,
meet,
meet,
media,
media,
medicine,
medicine,
medium,
medium,
meet,
meet,
member,
member,
memory,
memory,
mention.
mention.
You've come so far.
Let's continue strong.
Menu,
Menu,
message,
message,
metal,
metal,
method,
method,
middle, might,
might,
mile,
mile,
milk,
milk,
mind,
mind,
mine,
mine.
almost there,
Final stretch now.
minute,
Minute,
mirror,
mirror,
miss,
miss,
mission,
mission,
mistake,
mistake,
mix,
mix,
model,
model,
modern,
modern,
moment,
moment,
Monday.
Monday.
Just 10 more to go.
You've got this.
Money,
Money,
month,
month,
mood,
mood,
moon,
moon,
more,
more,
morning,
morning,
most,
most,
mother,
mother,
mountain,
mountain,
move.
move. 100 M words. Complete.
That was an incredible effort.
Say the words again and again. Make them yours.
Speak clearly, speak daily,
Subscribe to English Podcast.
and keep growing with us.
We're always here for your learning journey.
See you in the next lesson.